Here at Dan's Machinery today we have the TG6557 power steering with cab. This is a compact tractor featuring an Iseki Stage 5 4-cylinder 2434cc engine, 55 horsepower, turbocharged, common rail, fuel injection, intercooler, EGR, DOC, DPF and a 53 litre fuel tank. Category 1 3-point linkage lift. Lift capacity of 1580 kilos at the ball ends and 1400 kilos at 24 inches. Standard equipment includes Category 2 cab with air conditioning, a heater, hydrostatic power steering, 12 forwards, 12 reverse manual transmission with a power shuttle, draft control, selectable 4-wheel drive with differential lock, 540 and 750 rear PTO, with a switch mounted on the mudguard for stationary work, 2000 RPM mid PTO, front hitch, rear drawbar with clevis hitch, 2 spool valves and plumbed for a loader, heated rear window with a wiper, LED lights front and rear, road homogenation package including headlights, turning signals, mirrors and reflectors, 7-pin trailer socket, a speaker and radio aerial and a choice of tyres. Now, as you can see, this is the version with the turf tyres on it. It's a fine looking tractor. The tyres are quite large, which gives you low compaction on your turf. You can see the spool valves on the back, all very neat. Real nice cab, good visibility, very quiet. That's your PTO engage button for your stationary work. We'll take a view inside in the cab here now. As you can see, just looking in the door, the 2 little orange knobs there, that's your regenerating button that lights up when she wants to regenerate, and if you want to bypass it you push the second button and that delays the regeneration process while you're finishing whatever work you're at. That's your shuttle back and forward on the steering wheel, and then here we have your 4-speed box with 3 ranges on the large lever. That little orange lever there is for engaging your 4-wheel drive, and then the 2 levers there are for the PTO, mid PTO, rear PTO, 540 and 750 PTO. Then on the far side you have your hydraulic lever and your draft control lever. That's the lever for the loader. And then on the right hand side of the steering wheel here you have the auto rev facility that you can set to run the machine at 540 PTO speed, and on a second touch it reduces to 1500 revs, and then on the third touch it disengages and goes back to normal tick over speed. Everything is very handy to you in the cab. You can adjust the steering column to your liking, and clutch, handbrake, all very neat, very tidy. Your PTO engage knob here, and a nice facility on it. You have soft start, normal start and then ground speed start. That's your 2 levers for your auxiliary spool valves on the back, and as you can see, a nice view out the back window and a wiper and the heated glass on it as well. Very well finished cab, I would have to say. Air conditioning, facility for a radio. Very nice machine. Nice good view out the front of it, and you can see all the gear that we have here to go with it as well. Available at Danzo Machinery.